Hello guys and welcome. I hope that you're having a great day or good morning or good evening. This is I play 4K, aka I play 8K, aka I play 16K, aka UHD King. And during this video today I'm going to show you Doom Eternal running 4K resolution on a Titan RTX video card. Today is March 21st, 2020, and with the help of the server enterprise CPU from 2013-2014, that is Xeon E5-2697v2, that is overclocked today and running on a gaming overclocking motherboard. So as you can see, I overclocked the Xeon to 3.18 gigahertz or 3.2 gigahertz by overclocking BCLK frequency by 6 megahertz or 5.9 megahertz additionally, which is the bus speed, because the multiplier is locked on this Xeon E5-2697v2, and on any Xeon E5-2697v2 multiplier is locked. Over here, as you can see guys, it's showing the 12 core 12 threads. So pretty much I disabled the hyper threading technology and I'm running only physical cores and only physical threads. Okay, and let me show it to you. I'm running it on a Gigabyte X79 UD3 version 1.1 motherboard with the F20 BIOS. It's only posting and booting with the F20 BIOS. So you need to update the BIOS on your Gigabyte X79 UD3 version 1.1 motherboard. Otherwise, you're not going to post with this Xeon 2697v2 CPU. Titan RTX running in PCI Express with 3.016 lanes. I'm using today 4 times 8 gigabyte DDR3, total 32 gigabytes. Very aggressive timing, CL7, but the frequency is 1333 megahertz, which is the maximum frequency possible with 4 times 8 gigabytes under the Gigabyte X79 UD3 version 1.1 motherboard with this CPU, which is the E5-2697v2. I tried the E5-2630 and I could able to manage 2400 megahertz because this DDR3 is XMP 1866 megahertz CL9. But with this CPU it's not possible to run above 1333 megahertz. Okay, Titan RTX. Okay guys, good enough. This is how it's scored, just with 12 cores, 12 threads under the CPU Z version 1.91.064 bit. Go ahead and compare it. And my Titan RTX today, let me real quick go ahead and show it to you, and then I'm not going to come back to the stats. Running completely stock, as you can see, 100% fan rotation. I'm going to overclock during this gameplay, and during this gameplay I'm going to show you guys pretty much. Here we go. On the background, this is my CPU. Of course, this is not engraved. I did it in Photoshop, the load on the CPU, but this is my CPU. This is my Titan RTX, and this is the H100i Pro RGB XT water cooler by Corsair. I believe it's 3rd generation of H100i. Today, as you can hear, beautiful audio quality through 2 Rode Video Pro Mic Plus microphones. Today I'm using the beautiful Vantech USB sound card 7.1 system that has two microphone inputs, and when you overclocking by BCLK above 100 megahertz frequency on your bus speed or base clock, your audio card and NIC on board is disabled, doesn't work, not functional. So I purchased myself 2.5 gigabit per second NIC through the USB 3.0, and I purchased myself this Ventec USB sound card 7.1 that is beautiful with dual inputs of the mics, so I can utilize my 2 Rode Video Pro mic plus, and I'm assuming the quality will be like out of the $2,000 microphone, and even if those 2 Rode mic Video Pro plus costed totally $500, a little bit below than $500, but the quality will be about 4 times higher. And this is my first time that I'm using these mics, but I don't have to scream anymore, which is nice. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get going. Let me real quick go ahead and show you IDA 64. I just want to show you, here we go, the IDA 64 cache and memory benchmark, and IDA 64 GPU benchmark. So keep your attention to the latency delays in nanoseconds. The lower the better. You can compare it with yours just to see how better CPU architectures improved. And this is everything which you need to know. Alright, let's go ahead and get going, guys. I'm going to go ahead and execute the Doom Eternal. This is the second day it's available on Steam because it was released in March 20th 2020. I played about 5 minutes, so I kind of know what's going on, but I'm not a good player, so the purpose of this video is not the gameplay. The purpose of this video is to show you the performance and on a Xeon E5-2697v2 with the Titan RTX, and to show you that you can build the system, the whole system, without the video card, including the motherboard, which is Gigabyte X79 UD3 version 1.1, including the CPU, which is the E5-2697v2, including the power supply 850 watt for any kind of scenarios, by Corsair Gold certified, 32 gigabyte of DDR3, 250 gigabyte SSD, crucial, MX500 will cost you total $450, and the cheap case by Corsair $49. Keep that in mind, $450 total. This is unbelievable system, and today I'm going to show you why I think so. So I'm recording it, guys, today with the external professional video recording device, so the FPS that you're gonna see at the left top is not taxing anyhow, and the performance will be just the same as I'm not recording. However, it's going to be a little bit broken frames, like about 10-15 broken frames, the tearing during those type of frames, but not too much. The reason is why, because vsync is off, just to be able to demonstrate you the maximum FPS. Hopefully, guys, this makes sense. I'm recording today with my Chinese AK60 FPS external video recorder, and thanks God the Chinese people, developers, fixed it for me, and they updated the firmware, so now I can capture 4K at 60 FPS and 8K at 60 FPS with the lowest possible tuning on the screen. This is what they told me. I tested and look like it is, which is nice. So now I'm going to record 4K at 60 FPS with external professional device and 8K at 60 FPS as well, when I'm going to use the display port to HDMI 2.1 converter to this device. So vsync is off, HDR is on, so this device is capable to capture the HDR, so it's going to be beautiful, guys, gameplay with HDR as well. Okay, so low, I just tested for myself. Let's go ahead and do the Ultra Nightmare, and then I'm going to show you medium, because from ultra nightmare to high there is not such a big difference. As you can see, everything the preset ultra nightmare except the film grain is off. I disable it. Everything else is maxed out. Alright guys, let's go ahead and have a look, shall we? I'm capturing this video in Apple ProRes codec, and the bitrate will be around 600. I'm using the lowest possible quality bitrate, but it's still going to be at 680 megabit per second, and I will try to upload it in around 300 megabit per second to YouTube, so you're going to see the beautiful visuals as well. But as again, the purpose of this video is not the gameplay, is not the visual. The purpose of this video to show you to demonstrate you the performance of the E5-2697v2, and I will explain to you why you want to build this system if you're on a low budget for everything, all-in-one system such as desktop, rendering firm, and gaming system. This is my secondary system. My first system is Xeon E5-2697v2 overclocked at 5.3 gigahertz with 2 Titan RTXs, and I also going to show you E5-2697v2 with 2 Titan RTXs. Keep that in mind. Wow, look at this. This scene kind of reminds me a little bit of the Edge, I mean not Edge, of the Rage by ID Software, and I believe this type of 3D object they were using when they created the pre-rendered video in Rage, when the asteroid crashing into the moon and then into the earth. And but this is right now, this scene right now, 3D scene is rendering with the game engine, so it's not pre-rendered like it was in Rage. Keep that in mind. I'm pretty sure they use some of the 3D objects from the Rage, from that pre-rendered scene, that they probably use the 3D application to render it, but right now they're using the game engine to render it, which is amazing. So already this scene can be used as a game benchmark, because it's static 3D scene, as you can see.
Nearly 60% of our planet has been consumed by the invaders.
And this is not the video, guys, it's rendered with the game engine.
We have the Hell Priest signal locked in. The target is marked, but the signal will not hold for long.
For it is he that they fear, not man.
Gorgeous FPS, guys, above 100 FPS, and this is ultra nightmare settings, which is the maximum possible settings. As you can see, they're using Vulkan at the right top corner. Vulkan 1.1 119, so it's version 1.1 119, and I believe this version is supporting SLI. So hopefully Doom Bethesda developers are not so lazy and they supporting SLI, because Vulkan 1.1 supporting SLI. But we're going to find out when I will try to do this video, guys, with the 2 Titan RTXs and SLI with the E5-2697v2, as well as i9 9900K 5.3 gigahertz. That one will be amazing to watch. Guys, I'm playing today with the wireless keyboard and mouse, so there is no lag at all. It's just beautiful, but maybe sometimes, because I'm at the distance right now from the computer, there is a possibility. Hopefully, guys, you enjoying the quality of the mic, because 2 Rode Video Pro Plus mics recording this video, this audio, it should be amazing. And I know that for the podcast it's not a great idea to use the shotgun mics, because the Video Pro Plus mic is a shotgun mics. But however, when you're having some noise with the case that has open window for the Titan RTX to breathe some air, it's generating a lot of noise if the computer in the same room. And to be able to get rid of that noise, you want to use the shotgun mic to record the audio, so it's just picking up the sound where it's directed to, and it's not going to pick it up the sound from the back of the room where my case is. Hopefully guys this makes sense. And when two of them, each of them like $210, two of them, I believe the audio quality will be like $2,000 professional mic, because this is also professional mics, but they're not too much in terms of the price and in terms of the quality. But when two of them recording with the help of this Vantech USB sound card, it's just amazing guys, as you can see, as you can hear it. I'm so satisfied, and just because I cannot use my onboard audio or onboard NIC, I purchased it in USB versions, and I'm happy about it guys. And plus I can use it with any systems because it's through the USB 3.0. Wow, I didn't guys, I only played this game for 5 minutes, so keep that in mind. But it's kinda simple, as you can see. Wow, some toys like from Doom 2016. Guys, the game feels a little bit like Doom 2016, but with the much better visuals. As you can see, my much high polygon 3D meshes through the level design, as well as (3D) models of the enemies. Okay, right here. And it's easy. It has the map, as you can see, by pressing tab, same as in Doom 2016. So it's kind of similar, but a little bit better than Doom 2016. So if you like Doom 2016, you're going to love this game. This game is mostly about the single player. Hopefully you enjoying this HDR, so don't forget to smash the like button, because this is not just recording of Doom Eternal from 2020, but this is Doom Eternal with the HDR, so hopefully you guys are enjoying that. And the FPS is not taxing, just like when I'm recording with the shadow play. It's just a real FPS, just like I'm not recording, which is amazing. The game is kind of guys harder than Doom 2016. Keep that in mind. And I'm playing almost on the easier settings, but it's hard. It's not that easy. Really like the death animation that they did. It's amazing. The quality work on the death animation, as well as you can see, you can recognize these characters, and they're much higher polygon 3D meshes, much higher polygon 3D meshes for sure. The enemies, even these simple guys, are much harder to fight than in Doom 2016. If Doom 2006, if Doom Eternal will support SLI, I will show you as well as Titan RTX and SLI in this game on the E5 Xeon 2697v2, which I think this is the best system even in 2020, even in 2021, guys. $450 for this system, this is just amazing. And this system, guys, is much better value than AMD Ryzen 3800X, because on that system you're going to invest around $900 just without the video card, but this one is $450 without the video card. Keep in mind that you don't need to get yourself a Titan RTX. Get yourself RTX 2080 Ti video card to achieve similar performance, plus minus 1-2 FPS, and you can overclock it to achieve performance or even be faster. Or if you're on a very low budget, get yourself GTX 1080 Ti single video card, or get yourself 2 GTX 1080 Ti video cards, and then you're going to show performance much higher than Titan RTX or even the RTX 2080 Ti at maximum overclock. Keep that in mind with the 2 GTX 1080 Ti video cards. As I'm about to go to bed, hopefully you enjoyed this video. This is the second day of Doom Eternal, and I'm showing in HDR 4K resolution and in such a beautiful rig that you can build yourself. And the more information about the Xeon E5-2697v2 CPU that I purchased used like new on eBay for $159 in the first quarter of 2020 will be available over the iPlay4k.com YouTube channel. It's going to be a playlist, go ahead and check it out. I'm going to teach you how to overclock this CPU properly. I will show you beautiful gameplays. Look how beautiful this game is, wow. And by the way, this can be used as a benchmark because it's a static 3D scene. I'm most definitely going to split the screen and I'm going to test it with the i9-9900K primary system. But guys, I'm telling you, I would be happy with just this computer till 2021. I don't need even i9-9900K. This computer can be used. I'm going to use this computer as rendering firm. So I'm going to render 4K, 8K resolution videos. I'm going to render some 3D scenes from 3ds Max Studio. And as you can see, you can play some games and have a lot of fun by doing that. And the FPS is not that bad at all. I would say FPS about 10% slower than i9-9900K, but come on, the price is i9-9900K $500 at least right now in March of 2020, and this CPU 159. But as again, just because the virus in China, it is like that. But it's supposed to be $129, guys. Right now it's trending, and I believe in 2021, in the beginning of 2021, you can get two of this 2697v2 CPUs for just $129. Two of them for like $75 per each, and this is going to be such a deal because you can pick up yourself dual socket X79 C600 I believe X79 C602 motherboard from China for $129, and this is going to be such a deal, guys, because you can run two of them. And if you're looking to get a beautiful workstation, this is way to go, guys. And this is the enterprise level CPUs. That means that they designed to work at least 20 years non-stop, 24/7 under heavy load, about 2 million hours. Usually the enterprise equipment designed for 2 million hours non-stop work and 24/7. That means that somebody already used it for about 6-7 years, and I still have like 10 years to go, but 10 years is too much for me. I'm probably going to upgrade it before that, and I'm looking like in 2023, in the beginning of 2024, to get myself 64 cores, right? 64 cores AMD with 120 threads. That is right now running for $3,500, but in 2023 I'm looking to get it for around $450, used like new, just like this CPU, and this is going to be a deal during that time. And to have it as my version 2 rendering firm, because this is rendering firm version 1, this is going to be, I think, amazing. Okay guys, as you can see, it's not that easy, but that's fine. Let me go ahead and change the resolution real quick and show you some gameplay with a different resolution. I mean, not the resolution, but preset. So let me show you before I'm going to switch the preset. When I tried, because I already played for 5 minutes before recording this game, so I'm kind of rookie. Ultra Nightmare, right? Everything Ultra Nightmare. So if I'm going to switch to Nightmare, check it out. The difference in FPS is just 1-2 FPS. So right now is 109, 110. So 111, right? Let me real quick go ahead and switch it to Ultra. So it was 111. Right now is Ultra. 113, 112, 1 FPS, 2 FPS, right? As again, we're not taxing in terms of our FPS. The FPS will be just the same as I'm not recording. 112, so 1 FPS extra. Not that biggie. So as you can see, modern games in 2019, 2020, from settings to settings, it kind of doesn't reflect that performance that much on the modern hardware. High, from 111 to 114, 3 FPS only. But medium will give you some performance boost. So I'm not going to even bother, guys, to show you high and ultra. I'm just gonna go Ultra, Nightmare, and medium, because this is exactly where we can receive some boost. And in terms of the quality, it's almost the same, as you can see, 123. So we increased about 11 FPS from Ultra Nightmare, 11-12 FPS, right? So with 120 Hz 4K resolution monitor, guys, you will be Gucci. And as again, maybe a few frames, you will see a few frames today. Will be tuned the broken frames, because the Chinese developers of this beautiful 8K resolution 60 FPS video capture device that I purchased back in 2016 did a great job, as you can see, guys. Look at this. They told me they updated the firmware and now it's going to be a great and generating less screen tearing without the vsync, and they did a great job. Great job, as you can see. It does what they told me to. Alright. Jesus, this game is not easy. So medium, yeah. Look at this. CPU for $159. But keep in mind that in the end of 2020 it's going to cost about $120, and in the beginning of 2021 it's going to be like $79. So in 2021 you can build the whole system for about $350. it's going to be $79 instead of $159. Right now it's a little bit trending, and just because the virus is kind of expensive, but still I would say it's still better value than 3800X AMD Ryzen, because overall system will cost you at least 2 times less. So if you're on a tight low budget, this is the deal for you for all-in-one system, gaming, workstation and everything. If you're a YouTuber, 3D artist, graphic designer, this is the way for you to go, guys. The best performance for money. And as again, if you want to compete with 3900X, then you're looking to get yourself two of the CPUs and AMD X79 Chinese board for $110, and the whole system will cost you $600 without the video card, of course. And if I would be you, with low budget, very low budget, but still want to play all the games faster than I'm playing right now, get yourself 2 GTX 1080 Ti, used like new, and SLI on eBay, and 95% of the game supporting. And guys, I'm started a new project, SLIready.com. So www.sliready.com, and over that project I will teach you how to enable 2 video cards in SLI in the games that doesn't support SLI. So my project will be dedicated to show you how to enable the SLI in a lot of games that doesn't support SLI. So 2 GTX 1080 Ti, guys, in SLI is gonna create a big damage, and right now on eBay, used like new, it costs only $700. It's like half of the price of the RTX 2080 Ti. So as you can see, we have the map just like in June 2016. So it's half of the price of the RTX 2080 Ti, but it's going to dominate RTX 2080 Ti by about 50% faster with 2 GTX 1080 Ti than RTX 2080 Ti. Keep that in mind. So as you can see, guys, different type of weaponry over here. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let me real quick go ahead and switch it back to Ultra Nightmare. Right over here there is a lot of geometry, and the FPS is going to slow down a little bit on FPS, but still going to high FPS. I just want to show it to you real quick. Still above 80, is very comfortable. Hopefully 2 Titan RTXs will show us here 160. I'm hoping for it. Look at that beautiful animation. That animation, they did a great job. Such a detailed, amazing. A lot of secrets in this game. So pretty much it's like Doom 2016 with the high polygons count models, and oh my god, they got me on another level a little bit. So keep that in mind. Much harder. And new zombies, as you can see, new monsters. It's kind of version 2.0, I would say. Still about 100 FPS, guys. I'm pretty sure that if it's going to support Titan RTX and SLI, I can run 8K resolution. I would say about 60 FPS for sure. Everything maxed out. Alright guys, that's it. Everything what you need to see, you saw it. Hopefully guys you enjoy that. And right now I'm putting some let me exit. Putting some great videos for you to check out on the screen. Don't forget, a lot of time, money, energy was invested. Smash that like button, positive comments, share it with your friends, guys. Subscribe for more great videos, and don't forget to check that Intel Xeon E5-2697v2 playlist over the iPlay4k.com YouTube channel or over the UHDking.com. Also visit my www.sliready.com YouTube channel. It's going to be a great resource for you for 2 or more video cards in SLI, and how to enable SLI in the games that doesn't support SLI. As you can see, guys, my CPU utilization over here was excellent, and it was only 12 physical cores, 12 physical threads, but I'm also going to show you 12 physical cores but 24 logical cores, which is 12 virtual cores through the hyper-threading technology is coming out as well. So stay tuned, guys, and I will see you in the next videos. Alright, till the next time, have a great day, till the next time.